Before you can write a single Redis command, you need a server to talk to. In this video, we will install Redis, start the server, and verify everything is working. Redis is a server your application connects to over the network. You install it once, start it, and any process on the same machine or across a network can send commands to it on port 6379. When you send a command, the client serializes it into the RESP-wire protocol and opens a TCP connection to port 6379. The server processes it in its single-threaded command loop and sends the response back, all in microseconds. Open one terminal and run redis-server, no flags needed for local development. In a second terminal, run redis-cli type png, and you should see pong, confirming the client and server are talking. When reviewing a PR that wires up Redis, check that the connection is spooled. The server is started with a config file in any environment beyond local dev, and a health check confirms reachability before the app accepts traffic. Redis is straightforward to install and start, but the habits you build now, config files, connection pooling, and health checks, are what separate a working prototype from a production-ready service.